Now, there's something that's been on my mind a little bit recently. It's quite petty, and I wouldn't normally make a fuss out of this, but let me just try and explain the problem to you.
Hello.
Okay, so I'm out the front of my house, at the front door. Imagine I've just worked like a big day. I'm coming home, I open the door, come inside, close the door behind me, because I'm a bloody good boy, and I'm walking into my room, and I come around here to my dresser. As soon as I get home, I chuck all the things out of my pockets. Phone, portable charger, pen, my wallet, torch, Leatherman, watch, Swiss Army knife, and keys all just get dumped there. And it becomes very difficult to tell if I came home with everything that I left the house with. Now, efficiency and organization are what keep me going. And today I want to create something that visually allows me to see, yes, I've got everything I need. I'm not missing anything. I haven't left anything at work or in the car. So that's what I'll be doing today. God, I'm a nerd. Now, I came up with this design a while ago. Killing me. It takes so long. I don't know what it is, but just routing out the timber, it's so repetitive, and I can just not think about anything. I can just relax. Route away. Everything's fitting quite snug. Some of these cuts I had to do a multi-tier leveling, just to account for things like this belt clip. I like how it's turning out, but I kind of wish I made it all a little bit denser, a little bit closer together. That way the timber would have been smaller. It's given me a lot of time to think about how badly I want a CNC machine. Now initially I was going to use this wireless charger underneath the phone. I was going to recess it into the timber so that when I put my phone down it would charge. But it's really crap. And I actually tested my phone charging on this. When I went to bed it had about 60% and I woke up it was 15% charge. So that's not ideal. But instead I made this notch. So that fits in there, little notch. I also put in little finger notches so I can get things out really easily. EDC stands for everyday carry, which is essentially these things. And I don't expect that I'd have to explain this to many of you. Alright, I think that's it.
What?
I'm talking to the camera, Ollie. What do you think?
Oh, it is going like that. I think it's cool. I like it. Ah, that's a pretty manky wallet.
Excuse me?
I think I have a better wallet than that. Ready? I'm about to flex on you, you old haters. If I can. Ooh.
Oh, you're showing me up with that wallet.
Oh, yeah. Youngest flexer of the... Do you know